Okay, John from RGH, another everyday motorbike instructor video. Just thought I'd go over the basics of junctions and roundabouts. This is aimed at beginner motorcyclists, people who have never done any riding before, or it's aimed for people who have done the CBT and maybe they're thinking about doing the bigger bike license, and they can do an A1, A2 or A license. So yeah, aim for beginners, so just the basics, the foundational stuff of roundabouts and junctions. I'm going to come into this industrial estate and use this, and then after that I'm going to go on the road and apply it. So if you want to make this video short, you just got to watch the bit when I'm in the industrial estate. If you want to watch me apply it on the road, then watch to the end of the video. Okay, so first of all I'm going to set off. Got a shoulder check, make sure we're okay. And the first roundabout exit we're going to do is an exit 2, but this exit 2 is past the 12 o'clock mark. So I'm just going to move over to the right hand lane and put my right indicator on because it is past the 12 o'clock mark. Okay, give way to the right, obviously. And here we go, staying in the right hand lane, don't swerve out to the left. Once you get to the exit, you do want left indicator and a left shoulder check just to see if anyone's undertaking it. And that's how you would do an exit past the 12 o'clock mark. And that exit is only just past the 12 o'clock mark. Now the next thing we're going to do is a junction, and it's going to be a T-junction, and we're going to be turning left. This is a minor into a major left turn. I'm going to check my mirrors, left indicator, left shoulder check into position 1. I'm going to attempt a rolling start because it's a give way and looking right, looking left and looking right, creeping out and peeping around the corner. And that was a minor into a major left turn. The next junction I'm going to do is a minor into a major right turn. So it's at the end of this road, I'm going to be turning right. Being a bit flexible, waiting for that to get past that vehicle. Check my mirrors, right indicator, right shoulder check, over to position 3. Again, a peep and creep, and I use my slow riding technique, clutch control, back brake control. A little bit slower on that one because it was a bit of a blind junction. And that was a minor into a major right turn. I'm going to go all the way around this roundabout now, going back the way I came. So it's past the 12 o'clock mark, obviously. So right hand lane with your right indicator on, give way to the right. Stay in the right hand lane, bit of debris here, very careful. And then here, just before the exit, left indicator, left shoulder check. Going to do a major into a minor left turn now. Now you can stay in position 2 if you want from a major into a minor. Mirror check, indicator, left shoulder check, and take the turn. If you want to keep things easy and easy to remember, the beginnings of your motorbiking career, you can do all left turns from position 1 if you want. So all left turns are from position 1. And that means, of course, that all right turns are from position 3, which brings me on to the final junction we're going to do, a major into a minor right turn. I'm going to check my mirrors, right indicator, right shoulder check into position 3, stay in position 3, and then we're going to do a second right shoulder check just before you take the turn. Don't cut the corner. And that's all the junctions you can possibly encounter, really. Now the final roundabout that we're going to do is second exit. Now this confuses a few people, I feel. Second exit, not past the 12 o'clock mark. I'm going to approach it in the left-hand lane. No indicator on because people will think I'm going down exit 1. Give way to the right. Follow the curvature of the roundabout. And then left indicator, right shoulder check. And as I looked over my right shoulder, I could see that HGV. Not only could I see him, but he could see me looking at him. So that's all the possibilities of a roundabout, apart from turning left, which is exit 1, which is easy. So I'll do that one on the way home anyway. So here we are. Second part of this video is applying this to a road. Now I want to turn right at this roundabout, exit 3. It's past the 12 o'clock mark. And now left indicator, left shoulder check. And off we go. And of course I'm looking over my left shoulder to make sure there's no cars there cutting me up. Looking down the road for potential hazards. I can see brake lights on this vehicle in front. Checking my mirrors every 8 seconds. These brake lights have gone off now, so I'm expecting to see green lights at this traffic light when I turn around the corner. Yep. Position 2, the command position. And as I said, all these videos are for beginning motorcyclists. There's a lot more detail we could go into. Yeah, these are just for people who are about to do the CBT or have just done their CBT and they're thinking about doing the big bike license. And all I've just done there is totally doable. It's not exactly rocket science. I'm going to go straight ahead here, exit 2. Bit of a weird one, this one. Cars to the right, is he going to go? He's not going to go because he's a learner, and also this car's coming from the right hand side. Still just a few more minutes of riding the bike, and I'll try and throw in some junctions just to see that we can apply what we've learned in the industrial estate. Approaching here, I'm going to go straight ahead, watching this guy coming in from the right hand side. Okay, going to turn left here. This is a major into a minor left turn. Mirrors, indicator, left shoulder check, move over. Got a car doing a weird thing here, I don't know what's going on. Not helpful, is it? Straight ahead of this mini roundabout. Then I'm going to turn right at the mini roundabout. I'm going to put my right indicator on just to let people know I am turning right. However, because it's a mini roundabout, there really is no point putting your left indicator on because no one will see it. Coming up on another roundabout, another mini roundabout. I'm going to turn left, exit 1 of this mini roundabout. So approach the roundabout, put your left indicator on. Always stay in position 2 for roundabouts, no need to move over to position 1. I'm going to attempt to peep and creep, but I'm not going to do it because there's a red car coming. Now a little bit of a hill start, and off we go again. Got one more right turn coming up and then I'm going to end the video with a little bit of a summary. So check my mirrors, right indicator, right shoulder check, over to position 3. Let's stop for this one, there's a car coming. The only danger of being in position 3, of course, if the car's cut the corner. I think this was mentioned in one of the comments on a previous video, and I agree with that. However, once you're there, in my experience, they very rarely cut the corner. It's only as you approach and they're approaching that there might be a slight conflict of interest. So yeah, those junctions and those roundabouts should give you an idea of what we're looking for your CBT training, for your DAS test. Obviously, just the basics I've covered there with positioning in the road. There's a little bit more detail to it. But in summary, all right-hand turns, minor into a major, major into a minor, are from position 3. And when it comes to left-hand turns, if you want to keep things simple, just use position 1, but minor into a major or major into a minor left-hand turn. So in other words, all left-hand turns, you can use position 1. But if you want to be accurate, in my opinion and other people's opinion, minor into a major left is position 1, and major into a minor left is position 2. So, position 1 here, minor into a major. That's it for this video of the Everyday Motorbike Instructor. Hope it's helped. If you are thinking of doing a CBT or moving up from a CBT to a DAS, that gives you a flavour of some of the things we're looking for, and we can get you through it quite easily. You know, theoretically, you can do your big bike licence within a month. So from this video, I'll say goodbye. Until next time, ride safe, and I'll see you soon.